All right, today we're going to show you how to use the shift and step lift. This is typically found on the Ford Transits, so you can have an additional entry point into the van. The first few things you need to make sure you have, the vehicle needs to be running and the parking brake needs to be set. This entryway also needs to be clear because there are two eyes to make sure no one gets crushed with the lift. So to start, down here at the bottom, you have these two buttons to move it left and right. So that'll move the lift out. So to use this lift is just like using a stationary lift. You have the pendant on the side. You do want to make sure that the switch is turned on. First, unfold. And then down as well. And the go up is the exact opposite. You push and hold the up. Unload your passenger, and then you can fold the lift up. Now once you're done using the lift, you cannot drive with the lift in this position. You need to move it back. And to move it back is just like how you moved it forward. You got the two buttons. You push that one that's lit up, and we'll move it back till it's stationary. And that's how you use the shift and step wheelchair lift. We also have another video to show you how to manually move the lift from left to right if that is needed, and you can click it right up here.